How to change address on Mercari. Hello guys, welcome to another Mercari tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can change your address successfully on your Mercari website. And how do you do this? The first step is for you to visit mercari.com, and then after visiting the website, you will be brought to this home page. Then the next step would be for you to log in. So how do you log in? To log in is simple. Move to the top right corner where you see the login option, and then just click on that and you'll be brought to the login page. On this page, you can see the option with Google, you can see email address, password. Ensure you fill in all of these details and log in successfully. Then after logging in on the Mercari's homepage, by the top right side, instead of seeing the option login that you can see on my own screen, you will see your profile icon instead. Just click on it. So after clicking on your profile icon, a drop down menu will appear. In this menu, ensure you select settings. Alright, settings, and then once you're on your settings page, navigate to the address section. You'll see the session address or addresses. Click on that. Then after clicking on the address section, on the address page, you'll see the option for you to edit. Right, you just click on the edit option and then go ahead to make your changes. It is that simple. Click on my addresses option, tap on the address that you'd like to change, click on edit, and then go ahead to edit the details. And then once you're editing the details, or once you're done editing the details, make sure to save your changes. All right, make sure to save your changes, and then after saving, your address will be changed automatically on Mercari. It's as simple as that. So ensure you try it out. Okay, thank you for watching and have a wonderful day ahead.